Really? Are you serious? Exposed. They putting them on blast out here in front of everybody. What is going on, my people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Our savior, our fill-in for to tie us over into Slime Season 2, alright? Continuation of Slime Season 2. Slime Diaries, ladies and gentlemen. Episode 1 is here. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys want me to continue this series of the channel. Leave a bunch of likes. Of course, we're streaming this live, twitch.tv/EDGame5, hidden link in the description. And yeah, man. Without further ado, let's see what's up with Slime Diaries. I heard this is more like a slice of life version of slime, so I'm looking forward to it. And then, okay, so we just gonna be like reliving memories or something. I got reincarnated as a slime. That's the title of the anime. That's the thing. He did the thing. He said the thing. Slime Diaries ends already. He rage quit. Yeah, nice ass place to live, dog. That place saucy. My girl, oh my girl. Y'all notice it too? The nerf? Did we see a nerf? The designs look like way different. Like way different. Okay. Okay. He just sips tea, bro. He just sips the tea. Y'all don't see it look different? It do be looking different though. It be looking different though. Oh my god. There's a better way. Oh my, long life, death. Look at the death. Oh, it's burning him. It's burning him. Emergency measures. Oh shit. Self-regeneration. Oh my god. Oh, she would have killed a normal nigga. Look, it's burning through the desk. What the fuck? This nigga definitely just turned into a rom-com protagonist, dog. She don't got the plot nerfed. What do I do with them? Shit. Oh shit. You're gonna make him mature now, yeah. He gonna say something ridiculous, ain't he? People do learn. Oh my god. It's like I'm speaking from experience. Kitchen knife? Why would she order a kitchen knife? She gonna take over from Shion or something? Oh shit. Oh! Oh! Oh shit. Oh. Oh, look at this nigga. He knows she's watching. He knows she's watching. What if he kills it right in front of her? Oh, he did this Itachi thing. What the hell? Choose yourself. Funny how this lizard girl turned into. I always think about that. More waifu materials. They just like, yeah, we're just gonna make them more human looking. Oh, in the caves for training. I like the first episode though. We checking up on everybody though. Checking up on everybody, man. Everybody getting their screen time. Hilarious. Little funny moments. These niggas are ridiculous. The Great Alliance. Yo. He's disgusted. You know the way she looks, I always forget. Like a real, she put the glasses on, man. She official. Yeah. Oh shit. What you dealing with? I'm barely making an appearance outside of battle. Oh, this the shadows. Improve myself, the master's sake. I love. He doing his own little training. Is this the shadows? He be trapping all that? Yo, what? Oh, let's show the master. He'll pet me. Oh, oh my God. Shadow Realm kind of massive, exactly. But yo, Ronga be living it up out here, man. OG, why you looking like that, OG? Why they got you looking like that? I low-key want me a bonsai tree. Uh-oh. Stop playing with the OG, dog. The town, we in school? Yeah. So it's like, basically it's like the president visiting your school and shit. They all drew him. Oh, let's see what they look like. Oh, okay. That one's not gonna hit. What the fuck? Hey, that's not gonna hit too. Okay. 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 Oh, what the fuck? Which I think is the best one. Loki, I think it's that one. Hold up, I'll show y'all. This jump. Hey, this joint is probably the best one, dog. I don't know what this kid was on, bro. This RIMURU on drugs. Hey, they really fucked my man up with that jump. They're all masterpieces. Oh, look at the little kids! Look at the cheer. It's crazy, because I don't think we actually have seen a slime, but other than him, huh? Wow. Damn. Kind, huh? Excuse me? Hey, yo, relax. They all be eating off the slimes. Oh, yo, y'all gotta stop. Really? Are you serious? Exposed. He putting them on blast out here in front of everybody. That's adorable. Oh, this is so adorable. So wholesome, dog. Look at the dude in a normal t-shirt. Yo. Bartender? Yo. Big ass glass of wine. Relies on you. I mean, you just realizing this, though. You big dog, man. You big dog. What is that? What is that? RIMURU. Everybody screaming good morning. And he has to say hi to every single person. He has to say it over and over again. Ohio, 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 Ohio. Damn! The White House? A new assembly building. Yo, clean. So Bingo Kage must be rough. Yeah. We gotta celebrate the completion of our construction. Banquet time! Banquet time, squad! Hey, squad. Hey, a nice first episode of Slime Diaries. Hold up. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Yo, that's funny. That's funny as hell. The slime masks. That's funny as hell. Little scene with baby RIMURU and who was that? Yo, it was that baby Milim as well? Why they little kids? Little babies. The air in spring. Okay. Very nice first episode of Slime Diaries. I really did enjoy that, man. Let me know if you guys want more on the channel, man. Let me know your thoughts on the first episode as well. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And follow the Twitch channel, twitch.tv/EDGamer5. We just got Twitch partner, by the way. So, like, yeah. Hit the link in the description. Twitch link. Go ahead and hit Twitch link right now. Yeah. That's going to be it for this video, man, though. I am